Figure AI just made a game-changing announcement, and it's sending shockwaves through the entire robotics industry. The rising Silicon Valley startup has officially unveiled BotQ, a next-generation manufacturing facility designed to mass-produce humanoid robots like never before. This isn't just about making a handful of high-tech machines for research and development. This is about full-scale, industrial-level production. Robots building more robots. Welcome back, guys. Alfie here, bringing you another shocking AI announcement. Figure AI shocks world with monumental update. And you can count on AI Nexus to bring you every detail as it unfolds. Let's go. Figure AI has made it clear that this is only the beginning. The BotQ facility, located on its newly established San Jose campus, is expected to produce up to 12,000 humanoid robots per year. But that's not the full story. The company has even bigger ambitions, with plans to roll out 100,000 humanoid robots within the next 4 years. This isn't just another factory opening. This is a defining moment in the race to bring humanoid robots into everyday life. A race that is quickly heating up as competition intensifies across the globe. Brett Adcock, the founder of Figure AI, took to social media to declare that BotQ will be the world's largest humanoid robot factory by volume. He didn't hold back when he emphasized that 2025 is going to be the year where Figure AI scales up in a way no one has ever seen before. What this means is that humanoid robots, which until recently were considered futuristic concepts, are now being positioned for mass adoption. This development is even more significant when you look at the bigger picture. Figure AI isn't the only company trying to make humanoid robots a reality. Agility Robotics, another major player in the industry, opened its own mass production plant in late 2024 in Salem, Oregon, with the goal of manufacturing 10,000 units per year. Tesla, which has been aggressively pushing its Optimus humanoid robot, has set a goal of producing 10,000 units by the end of 2025. However, even Elon Musk himself has admitted that this number is more aspirational than guaranteed. The competition isn't just in the United States. China has entered the race in a big way, with Shanghai-based Agibot already scaling its humanoid robot production. In 2024 alone, Agibot claims to have manufactured over 1,000 humanoid robots, setting the stage for rapid expansion. The global arms race for humanoid robots is accelerating at a pace no one could have predicted just a few years ago. Figure AI is not just focused on increasing its production numbers. The company is also developing the next-generation version of its humanoid, presumably called Figure 03. Unlike its predecessors, Figure 03 is being designed from the ground up for high-rate manufacturing. Instead of slow, handcrafted assembly, these robots are being engineered with mass production in mind. This marks a significant shift in the industry, signaling that humanoid robots are moving beyond the prototype stage and into full-scale deployment. And here's where things get really interesting. According to Figure AI, its new humanoid robots won't just be produced in large numbers, they will also play an active role in their own production. In other words, Figure 03 robots are expected to be working on the BotQ production floor, helping manufacture even more humanoids. This is something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now in Silicon Valley. The rollout of these robots has already begun. In January 2025, a small fleet of Figure 2 humanoids was deployed at the BMW plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina. This followed a successful pilot program the previous year. Figure has also secured another major client in the logistics industry, though they haven't revealed the name just yet. The fact that Figure AI's robots are already being tested in real-world environments shows that this isn't just a theoretical concept, it's a working, scalable technology. At the core of these robots is Figure's in-house AI system called Helix. Unlike traditional robotics control systems that rely on pre-programmed instructions, Helix operates as an end-to-end neural network. This means it can learn, adapt, and make decisions in real time. The implications of this are enormous. Rather than requiring extensive manual programming, these robots can learn new tasks on their own, making them far more flexible and capable of handling dynamic environments. Brett Adcock is so confident in Helix that he has accelerated Figure AI's timeline for deploying humanoid robots in homes. Originally, the company planned to introduce its robots to consumer markets in 2027, but now they are pushing that forward by 2 years. This means that Figure AI is actively preparing for home deployments, moving beyond industrial applications and into everyday life. Of course, Figure AI isn't the only company working on consumer-ready humanoid robots. Another well-funded startup, 1X Technologies, has been making headlines with its own humanoid model, the NEO Gamma. 1X has announced that it will begin testing its robots in select homes this year, setting up a direct competition with Figure AI for dominance in the consumer robotics market. The question now is, which company will be the first to successfully introduce humanoid robots into everyday households? To make all of this possible, Figure AI has built the BotQ factory to be as efficient as possible. This isn't just a typical manufacturing plant. It's designed for rapid scaling, with new facilities being rolled out every 90 days. That kind of speed is almost unheard of in the robotics industry. In just 6 months, Figure engineers developed an advanced manufacturing execution system to track every step of the production process in real time. According to information from Figure's job postings, blog posts, and official website, the company is using Dassault Systems Innovia for product lifecycle management, Oracle NetSuite for enterprise resource planning, and a warehouse management system for inventory tracking. This level of integration ensures that every component, every robot, and every production phase is carefully monitored and optimized. But the real breakthrough is how Figure AI has completely overhauled its manufacturing methods. They've moved away from CNC machining, which is precise but time-consuming, and switched to injection molding and die casting. This change has dramatically increased efficiency. Parts that used to take an entire week to manufacture can now be made in under 20 seconds. That's an absolutely staggering improvement. By bringing much of the production in-house, Figure AI has also mitigated supply chain issues, which have been a major obstacle in the robotics industry. This means they can maintain a steady supply of components without relying too heavily on external suppliers, keeping their production schedule on track. All of this leads to one inevitable conclusion. Figure AI is making an aggressive push to dominate the humanoid robotics market. The company is not just manufacturing robots, it is fundamentally changing the way humanoids are produced, deployed, and integrated into society. With BotQ up and running, the competition is going to get even more intense. Tesla's Optimus, Agility Robotics Digit, 1X Technologies NEO Gamma, and Boston Dynamics Atlas are all vying for a piece of the market. The race isn't just about which company can make the best humanoid, it's about which one can mass-produce them efficiently and get them into real-world environments first. The implications of this technology are staggering. Factories, warehouses, offices, restaurants, and even households could soon be staffed with humanoid robots performing tasks that were once exclusive to humans. The automation revolution is accelerating, and it's happening far faster than most people expected. This raises some serious questions. How will industries adapt to a future where robots take over jobs traditionally done by humans? What regulations will governments need to put in place to ensure these robots operate safely and ethically? How will society respond when humanoid robots become as common as smartphones or laptops? These are no longer hypothetical questions. With Figure AI scaling up production at breakneck speed, we are on the verge of seeing tens of thousands of humanoid robots deployed across multiple industries. The shift is already happening, and it's happening right now. Brett Adcock has made it clear. This is the year Figure AI transforms the robotics industry forever. Whether this excites you or terrifies you, one thing is undeniable. Humanoid robots are coming. And Figure AI just took the biggest step yet in making that a reality. That's it for today, guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for tuning, and we'll catch you in the next update.